drip, 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 the rain drip, drip, drops fast and heavy. I wanna skip, 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 I want to dance like old Gene Kelly in a movie where the rain does not mean pain. And it all falls down, it falls. My mind is racing, beating, standing in a crowd. 10,000 people watching, screaming at the signs. Once in time. And won't you sing to me a song of wisdom, song of purity? Oh, don't tell, don't tell. Sinking well. Purify my thoughts and leave your laughter at my door. Nothing more. Oh, drip, 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 the rain drip, drip, drops fast and heavy. I wanna skip, 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 I want to dance like old Gene Kelly in a movie where the rain does not mean pain. Roses in the garden, flushed up by the sun. Lovers in the laneway, turn their heads and shrug. I could run and hide, but the child inside will cry. A tide of burning tears can't wash away, hey, hey, the years. Oh, drip, 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 the rain drip, drip, drops fast and heavy. I wanna skip, 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 why can't I dance like old Gene Kelly in a movie where the rain does not mean pain? In a movie where the rain does not mean pain. Thank you guys, cheers. Enjoy the rest of the show.